on the Mount Si Trail, far enough away from the trailhead. There's a few less people here, so I can start filming. Right now we're in a glorious lush green forest canopy. And in about a mile and a half, 2 miles, get above the tree line. And then it's gonna start getting real hairy. The sun will be out, all exposure, not a lot of places to hide in the shade. But this is a non-stop elevation gain hike. It seems steady, so hopefully I'll make it to the top. We are back to insane elevation. This is the steep stuff. Whew. I am huffing and puffing again. We're a little bit over halfway on distance and elevation to the top. We are about a little bit over 1,700 feet of elevation gain, and about 2.5 miles in. And this just goes up, up, up. You can tell it's steep because this kid's not even on his leash, and he only wants to be a couple feet in front of me right now. But it's a beautiful day. People out here are numerous but friendly, and the afternoon sun through the trees is really nice. Just starting to see the views through the trees. About 2,800 feet of elevation, coming up on 4 miles soon. Almost there. It's remarkable how willing he is to stop for photos once we're about 3,000 feet of elevation. Huh, buddy? Oh. So this is the final ascent. 3,000 feet of elevation gives me about 400 feet to go. Just hit the 4 mile mark, so that makes sense. So up we go. We've hit the rocks. Time to get out in the sun. Definitely glad I brought the trekking poles. Oh my gosh, gonna need them on the way down. But for now, final scramble up. And this is like practically needing my hands to pull myself up, but not quite. Look at this view. Whew. Wow, that's pretty. so we didn't quite make it all the way to the tippy top because that just looked daunting and I'm exhausted. But got the drone out. It is legal to fly at mount size, so got some amazing shots of that peak and the surrounding area. Try not to disturb too many people. And Miska and I are headed back down the rocks. Oh, I can't wait to get back to the Forerunner. Get some of the water in there. Still got some left. I packed 3 liters, by the way. 2 for me, 1 for him, for Miska. So looks like that's going to be enough. And gonna get back to the Forerunner. And probably gonna stop for dinner on the way home. If you've got a favorite spot, like almost like a tradition of where you get dinner on the way back from hikes, let me know. I need recommendations around Seattle. All right, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. We will be observing some turbulence here for the next several minutes. Go ahead and fasten the seatbelt sign, and hopefully it's smooth sailing after these few potholes.